What's an unsolved mystery that's actually super easy to explain, but nobody likes to say it out loud because the real answer is just boring? That spooky last Morse code transmission from a flight, the one with SCTI-AR, people spin it into unsolved pilot mysteries. But in reality, SCTI is Santiago Airport, and AR means over. It was just a totally normal message to air traffic control about where they were headed. The so-called lost colony of Roanoke. Textbooks make it sound like colonists vanished into thin air, but the real explanation is clear and well documented. Governor White sailed back to England for supplies. Before leaving, the colonists told him if they had to move, they'd carve a message saying where. When White finally returned years later, way behind schedule, he found the word Croatoan carved into a tree. That wasn't spooky, it was exactly what they had agreed on. He believed they had simply gone to live with their Croatan allies. There were no signs of a fight, and they had taken their supplies. Later reports showed the Croatan people started having children with blue eyes and lighter skin, which tracks perfectly, but White never got to confirm it. His ship's anchor broke, his crew refused to risk it, and they sailed back to England. That little gap left plenty of room for legends and myths, but originally there was nothing mysterious about it at all.